Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Toyota's 2001 to 2007 Sequoia. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard. Step 2. Remove the body mount bolt and bushing. Step 3. Remove the factory rear body mount and grind the work area free of any rust or debris. Step 4. Paint the part and work area with a weldable primer to help prevent against rust. Step 5. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld the rear body mount onto the frame before fully welding on the part. Weld 100% around all edges. Finally, paint the part with rust inhibitor to prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Then you're done.